देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे।
एम का मतलब म्यूजिक। ओके, गुड जॉब।
तारे ज़मीं पर।
तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक के बिजनेस प्लान क्यों बनाया जाता है? या टू अर्न मनी, टू हैव अ रिकग्निशन, ताकि अपना कोई पहचान हो। अच्छा, तो आप किस इनिशिएटिव के साथ आए हो यहाँ पे? ओके ओके,
These are for kids.
ठीक है।
These are for 1 month till 12 years. 1 month till 12 years.
Okay.
These are casual shoes and these are formal.
I love these shoes, huh? Very nice. So you guys have your own factory, or is it that you guys get it from somewhere, purchasing करते हो, फिर in stock रखते हो और फिर कहीं selling करते हो? अपने online है कि in store है?
Online.
On you guys resell it. किसी भी ब्रांड को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए उसकी अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी होनी चाहिए। आप उसको प्रमोट कैसे कर रहे हैं, राइट?
Social media platform to promote our brand like Facebook and Instagram.
ओके,
We are packaging to yogurt so they can give us shout out. We will give offer of buy 2 get 1 free.
ओके।
And we will also give an offer of drawing competition.
Oh, that's an awesome idea, drawing competition.
Who will make the best drawing of our shoe? He will get the special edition of the shoe.
What is it about? What are you guys doing? What is your project about?
Our project is about journey to red planet. About science.
So what you guys have made? This is your project?
Yes.
This one, the one in front of you, right? Is there anything that you've made here? Is there anything that you've made here? Or this one? Okay, explain. Yeah.
First I did the cardboard and then I did the satellite and then I did a
चूड़ी के टुकड़े जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये
Okay. I have to ask you something. Okay, so what is your journey to Red Planet?
Mine is also journey to red planet.
Okay.
Mars, Elon Musk.
Yeah.
So we just nuke it 100 times in a tiny second to warm up the atmosphere. So Mars has currently next hotter than 2 times hotter. Mars has 2 moons.
Yeah.
Plus and one's another one.
Yeah.
Focus is 200 million years in black planet. So Mars may look red and very hot, but actually it's not. At its surface is -60 degrees Fahrenheit or -80 degrees Celsius. So some people might say the iron grain is red look. All of Mars tourists come from the Martian stores and that's you can see it. And next Mars.
Very nice. I like it. Brother shoe brand. Okay. Okay, so what's your business plan, guys? Okay, okay. So what's the name that you've come up with?
Good morning, welcome to our small business.
Okay.
Welcome to horse walk. We tried to make our own gardening business. As you can see, a lot of we have seeds in. But this is sand. This is used for fertilizing. This is Bloom. This is our most expensive one because it has no chemicals. It takes 5 months to grow. But this is fertilized clay.
तो आप यहाँ क्यों खड़े हो?
There's two kinds. This is our PPT. This is our latest. These are free samples of fertilized sand. If you would like to take it, if you want to take this is for 500 per pot. This is fertilized sand. And these are samples. If you would like to pay for them, that's your choice. If you would like to take them free, that's your choice. We don't have any specific area or any shop. We are in just a van 24/7 available. We move curtains, we can water your plants.
All right. Great initiative. Good. Great initiative. Up to
We have
हो न जाए